Right. I would like us to look at the scale of A flat. So today we're gonna be looking at the key of A flat, and this is good if it's your first time wanting to learn, about the key of A flat, or maybe this is your first time ever, and you want to kickstart your piano lessons, with A flat, or maybe you did learn, some basics in the key of A flat, and now you just want to learn more. So it's very important with every key, you want to make sure that you learn all, the 7 chords, right? 1 up to 7. So right now we are in the key of A flat, right? So, sorry, I mean A flat, right? Your 1, right? So it's gonna be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you go back to 1 again, right? So all the chords are gonna go from 1 up to 7. So on this video, we're gonna look into that, and I'm also gonna show you the chord charts using your right hand, 1 up to 7 in the key of A flat or G sharp. And also we're gonna demonstrate, right, using the same keys. We'll do maybe 1 or 2 songs, so you learn how you can put these chords into place, right? So we're gonna form songs, so we're gonna play some of the songs that you probably already know using this same key chords that I'm gonna show you. First thing first, you wanna make sure that you learn your 1 up to 7, because almost every song, right? Every song when you play it basically is gonna be in there. It's gonna be in between 1 to 7, right? It can be maybe a song progression that is running from 4, 5, 1, right? But it's gonna be between 1 and 7. So it's important that you learn this, key basics. So let's look at your 1 again. It's your 1, right? It's a 1, right? I don't know why I keep confusing that. It's a 1, right? And it's a 2, it's a 3, it's a 4, it's a 5, it's a 6, it's a 7, and it goes back to 1 again, right? And then here you can see the octave just went up, and then you can repeat the same thing here. Then it start again here, right? Yeah, but it's basically this from here up to here. So 1 is your 7, right? Okay, cool. I hope you got that. So before you move to the next step, so this was just the first step. Make sure that you learn this first. You know this, right? Your 1 up to 7. Do, re, mi, fa, do, la, di, da, da, la. After you're done with this, then we're gonna look into the chord charts in the key of, A flat or G sharp. So your 1 is gonna be this one here, in the key of A flat. Right, let's look at it again. So 1. And then don't worry about your left hand for now. We're gonna put them all together, right? So right now I just want you to focus on my right hand. So 1 again, and then it's a 2. So 2. And let's look at the 3. Right, so 3. And then let's go to 4. 4. Let's look at 5. 5. 5. And then let's look at your 6. So 6. We are playing with 3 fingers on every key. Just know that, right? So this is beginner's tutorial. First ever lesson in the key of A flat, right? So don't push too much pressure on yourself. Maybe you've seen someone pressing, 4 keys all at one time. You'll get there. For now, focus on this, try keys, right? So 6, and then your 7. So last key, right? 7. Let's look at it again for the last time. Right, so it's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's put them together with your left hand, right? So when you put them all together, this is your 1, and then let's go to your 2, let's go to your 3, let's go to your 4, let's go to your 5, let's go to your 6, and then the last one, 7, right? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For the last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that was our second step, right? So now you know how to play, your 1 up to 7 with your left hand and your right hand, right? And you're led also to do that, right, with both hands now, right? After you've learned that, now let's look at, putting together all these chords and let's play some song, right? A simple song. Let's look at, let me see. We can do, Our God is an Awesome God, right? Using those same chords, right? The song is gonna be in those same chords, right? But we might not need to use all of them. Some songs you might find that you're using only, 3 chords, maybe, So let's see. Our God is an awesome God, right? Let's see where we start. Okay. Our God. Our God is an awesome God. Okay. I'm just gonna try to sing it out so that you can, actually see that, these chords, they do fit in the song, even though I don't know how to sing. So let's do it. Our God is an awesome. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Right? Or you can maybe look at playing at the second inversion of 6. I will teach you on the inversions when we come to that. But yeah, when you play the first inversion of 6, it does sound a little bit much better. But the key is this one, 6, right? All right, cool. Let's break this song down. Just a simple song, right? Start here on for using those same chords that I just showed you, right? It's 4, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 6, right? Can do another one, one of the, popular South African praise songs. Some of us grew up singing these songs. It's like, Ageko ofana no Jesu, right? Or Ahona yatswana li Jesu. Let's see, where is that? Okay, I think it's also start on 4. Okay, maybe on 1. Yatswana li Jesu, Ahona yatswana naye, Ahona yatswana li Jesu, Ahona yatswana naye. Ageko ofana no Jesu, Ageko ofana naye, Ageko ofana no Jesu, Ageko ofana naye. All right, so now you've seen that with the same chords that I just showed you, right? You can actually play, the song. So first up, you know the basics, your 1 up to 7, right? And then from there you learn that you can actually, now play songs using this same chord. So the songs are built from this same chords. When you hear this, say, okay, it's fine, this is a song progression. It's gonna run me from 5 to 1 to 5, right? It's gonna be within this same chords progression. So once you learn that, then now um the second step is now learning the songs, but it's important that you learn this first so that even when someone communicates with you and say, hey, this song is gonna run from maybe it's from start from 6 to 5 to 4, I don't know. But if you know your 1 up to 7, then it's easier to follow instructions as well. All right, cool. That's it for this video. I don't want this video to be long. I hope you learned something. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a video on the chords inversions as well, so I will see you there.